Hi, this is a notice from Jamie Lynn Spears. All those mothers out there can't make their way, and it's so hard to be a mom. And I only wish the best for all of you. And please, you can do it. And if you think this is a basketball out of here, it's not. It's a real baby mom. I'm Jamie Lynn Spears. I'm pregnant, and it's hard to be a mom when you're like handling so much, and like you want to hug your tummy every 5 minutes. It's really, yeah. Like being a mother is hard. It might be hard, but like for all those single mothers out there, like please, like depend on yourself. Like don't give up, and like you're gonna make it. Like believe in yourself. I thought that I was just gonna die. But I like hugging my tummy every 5 minutes, and it's just all you can do out there, and like really.